Technology is advancing at an incredible pace in today's world, and humanoid robots are gradually making their way into our daily lives. This raises a major question in people's minds. What will the future of human-robot interaction look like? Will these robots become efficient assistants that enhance our lives, or will they replace us and become a serious threat? What are humanoid robots, and why are they important? Humanoid robots are machines designed to resemble humans or perform tasks typically carried out by humans. These robots, combining artificial intelligence, AI, robotics, and advanced sensors, are beginning to integrate into our daily routines. Why should we care about them? Because they can improve our lives, but also present challenges such as unemployment or ethical concerns. Let's explore a few real-world examples to clarify this. Imagine a robot performing intricate surgeries with precision in a hospital or teaching children in a classroom. This coexistence can enhance productivity and improve quality of life. On the other hand, if robots replace workers in factories, unemployment may rise. From a philosophical standpoint, consider this. If robots learn to think, should they have rights similar to ours? Ultimately, the future of this interaction depends on us. If managed properly, it could bring tremendous opportunities. History and recent developments. Let's take a brief look at the origins of humanoid robots. Throughout history, humanity has dreamed of creating beings similar to itself, from ancient myths to Renaissance automatons. Now, with modern technology, these dreams are becoming a reality. Today, robots like Ameca and Optimus represent the pinnacle of progress in this field. Ameca, built by the British company Engineered Arts, is a robot with an incredibly realistic face. It can smile, show surprise, and even wipe its nose. Designed primarily for human interaction and AI research, it is not yet capable of walking independently. On the other hand, Optimus, developed by Tesla, is a more practical robot. Standing at 172 centimeters and weighing 57 kilograms, it can move objects, walk, and perform physical tasks in industrial or home environments. This robot operates using Tesla's AI and aims to take over repetitive and dangerous tasks. Both demonstrate how far we've come in robotics, but their applications differ. One is designed for interaction, and the other for practical work. The Vinci surgical robot. One of the most well-known humanoid robots used today is the Vinci surgical system. This robot is used in advanced hospitals, such as the Cleveland Clinic in the United States, for complex surgeries like heart or prostate surgery. Vinci has a robotic arm that moves with microscopic precision, controlled by a surgeon from a console. This allows for smaller incisions, less bleeding, and faster recovery for patients. Technologically, this robot uses advanced sensors and image processing algorithms to minimize human error. For students, it's an excellent example of how robotics can revolutionize specialized fields like medicine. Sophia, the social robot. If you're looking for a humanoid robot capable of social interaction, Sophia from Hanson Robotics is the perfect example. In 2017, Sophia was granted citizenship in Saudi Arabia, the first robot to receive official citizenship. Sophia can talk with people, mimic facial expressions like smiling or frowning, and even participate in TV shows like The Tonight Show. Technically, Sophia uses AI based on neural networks to process conversations and learn. This robot shows how technology can evolve to create robots that perform not only physical tasks, but also social interactions. For students of engineering or computer science, this is a fascinating example of AI applied to social robotics. Tesla's Optimus in industry, primarily known for its electric cars, is working on a robot called Optimus. At the 2022 AI Day event, Elon Musk mentioned that this robot will handle repetitive tasks in factories, such as moving parts or assembly. Imagine Optimus standing alongside workers on a Tesla production line, taking on heavy duties. This robot uses machine learning to adapt to its environment and perform more complex tasks. A major advantage is that it could enhance productivity, but a question arises: will this threaten workers' jobs? This is a hot debate for economics or industrial engineering students. Robear in elderly care. In Japan, where labor shortages due to an aging population are a significant issue, the Robear robot has been developed to assist in elderly care. Created by the Riken Institute, this robot can lift individuals from their beds or help them walk. Technologically, Robear uses electric motors and force sensors to perform its tasks gently and safely. This robot illustrates how robotics can address social issues, such as the shortage of caregivers. For social science or biomedical engineering students, it's a tangible example of robots' impact on everyday life, current and future applications. Let's now examine where these robots are being used today and where they might go in the future. In healthcare, robots can perform precise surgeries or assist with patient care. In services, such as in hotels and restaurants, they can guide guests or take orders. In manufacturing, they take on repetitive and dangerous tasks, enhancing both safety and productivity. However, there are challenges. The cost of building these robots is high, and their technology is still incomplete. For instance, natural interaction with people or understanding complex customer needs remains difficult. In the future, imagine robots in our homes, taking care of the elderly, or even playing roles in education and the arts. But these advancements need to be carefully managed to avoid social and ethical issues, such as ensuring privacy and security. Impact on the job market and economy. One of the hottest debates surrounding humanoid robots is their impact on the job market. On one hand, these robots can increase productivity. They complete repetitive tasks faster and more accurately, and because they don't require salaries or rest, they reduce costs. They might even create new jobs, such as robotics programming or engineering. On the other hand, there's a major concern: unemployment. If robots replace factory workers or drivers, many people might lose their jobs. This could exacerbate economic inequality, as larger companies adopt this technology faster, leaving behind low-skilled workers. To address this issue, we need to retrain the workforce, and governments must implement supportive policies. If managed well, this technology could boost the economy and increase global competitiveness. Ethical and social implications. Let's dive deeper. The development of humanoid robots raises complex ethical questions. For example, if a robot harms someone, who is responsible? The manufacturer, the owner, or the robot itself? Or if robots become too intelligent, should they be granted rights similar to humans? Privacy is another major concern. These robots, especially in our homes, may collect personal information, and if it falls into the wrong hands, it could become problematic. They could even be misused in illegal or military operations, endangering security. Socially, the presence of robots could change our culture and psychology. If children or the elderly become dependent on robots, human relationships might weaken. If we rely too much on them, we may lose our own skills. We need to manage these challenges with proper regulations and public education. The future of humanoid robots depends on how we choose to utilize them. If we establish appropriate regulations, enhance human skills, and address ethical concerns, we can reap the benefits of this technology while minimizing its risks. The key is to maintain balance. Robots are incredible tools, but we must not let them overshadow our humanity. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments on how we can strike this balance. I hope you found this video insightful. Until the next one, take care.